Hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning, America. How are you doing today? Screen is all right. Okay. Sorry about that. I'm in a rut. So straight up, I'll tell you, before the stream starts, I'm in a trading rut. Yesterday, there was no New York session because after London session, I don't even remember which trades I took, to be honest with you. And today as well. Look at this. What the hell is this? I mean, I come back minus 60 or something. Still. Can't explain this action. Can't at all. And yesterday, what did I do yesterday? Oh, that's tonight. That's fine. Yesterday. Ah, yes, yesterday. This level right here. And did it do anything yesterday? Yeah, it held here. Quite an important level, yet the market didn't pay attention to it at all. I don't know why. So, market is a bit weird, but it's me who's in the rut, not the market. And we're going lower. Interesting short under yesterday's low. Oh, sorry, I'm just sipping coffee. These green boxes where I'm interested to go long. Other than that, maybe short somewhere here. Yes, it's not budging. Look at that. Hands off. I mean, yeah, I would have shorted right here. And my stop would be 20, over 20. That would be the trade. Okay, that's very interesting. Okay, let's see. ES is pushing higher. Look at the orders coming in on US100, 200 contracts, 140, 210. So ES is going up higher. Nasdaq is pushing lower. Dow is rising, Russell is rising. So Nasdaq is the only one going down. Why is this? Why is the Nasdaq pushing lower if semiconductors is one of the strongest sectors? Doesn't make that much sense. Doesn't make that much sense. Alert, and what? Nasdaq. Okay. Interesting. 60 is the, well, not a closed gap, but it's the lowest low. So still a gap, but kinda closed. Yeah, I don't know. SMH turning. SPY didn't close the gap. SMH going down. VIX going down. Okay, Russell. Okay, everything's kind of turning down now. Not sure what I want to do here. Maybe a short here. But I would want a short under 50. So under VWAP. VWAP's at 48. 46. Yeah. Okay, I missed it. Are we gonna get a retest? Well, that would have been a great trade for now, so far. Okay, let's try 50. Oh, nope, that's not the one. Don't wanna go long there. Yeah, I asked for a bit too much. Oh. Yeah, feeling gun shy again. That's why I'm in the rut. I kind of feel gun shy to make a trade here or here, and it kind of starts working out, and then I lose my patience and I enter a shit trade. That's the problem I have nowadays. I don't know why. Microsoft pushing up. Gap and go meta. Oh, 64.25. 8 point. Tag me in. And immediately pushes to my stop. Look at that. Well, that was a quick trade. Oh wow, this is gonna do to me like this, right? I mean, yes, going up, and overall Nasdaq should go up as well. Come on. Okay, maybe that's a bit more promising. I go break even. Maybe not break even here. What's the low? 60. I should have just taken it. Cool. Come on, close that gap on ES. Just push up. Push higher. Nasdaq is still not many buys. No. Struggling. A bit of buys coming in. Wanted to close it here, but failed to do so. Yes, of course. Once again, everything's pushing higher, except Nasdaq. I don't know why. Well, SMH is going down. Nvidia going down. What's AMD doing? AMD is now on everyone's watch. AMD is going down as well. Very dirty price action. Show the 70s, maybe. Some ES selling coming in here. Okay, now everything's turning down. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Great. Without me. Previous day high on ES. Oh, didn't get the fill I wanted. Wait, what's that? 63, 63.25, 63.50. That's gonna be the day, right? I don't know. Like, usually this kind of works for me, but nowadays I don't know what the hell is happening here. Like, seriously. Like, I buy always at the wrong places and sell at the wrong places. Like, I don't know. Proper trading rut. Ay, you know what? Give me like 600 and I'll call it a day. Not gonna hold here. 170 points or so. Ah, 611. 611. Minus 17. At least as a absolute bare minimum, I am going on a 5-minute break. And I should be looking into ending my today's trading. I just feel it in my bones. Oh, there you go. Feel it in my bones that I will not achieve anything today. But maybe that's gonna change. Let me have a 5-minute break and let's see what's gonna happen. Didn't even leave and already here would have been a nice trade right here. As I said, gun shy, Ganchai again. Then I take some, well, it's fine of a trade here. Makes sense here. Maybe higher, everything was turning higher at that point. Anyway, here or nothing, pretty much. So, see you in 5. I'm back. It retested this kind of area, which is interesting. On ES. I should start trading ES, I think. Nasdaq is not being... Let's prepare it. My old friend ES. I started from ES. Okay. We might get it. 420s I want on Nasdaq and 9,000. 9,004, 9,000 on ES and 425, 420 on NQ. I don't know whether I should bore you with here sitting and waiting for it. But last few times I said, I'm not gonna trade, but this is where I would take it. And that was exactly the spot. So might as well just wait for it. For this kind of high, but specifically more for this. And that was on the 20th. That was on Monday. No, not on Monday. On Tuesday. So let's wait for that. Maybe we get it. That's also a... quite a big zone, not exactly tradable. This kind of large zone. It's just Nasdaq overshooting everything, all the levels. Well, here is a bit clean, here where I took the shot. But look at this, 607, right? Yeah, I don't know. Not playing ball with me, Nasdaq. Do we want to go there? I wonder. Nasdaq's... Okay, so Dow is going down already, below opening print. Russell is still up. The only one hanging. DAX FTSE going down. Bitcoin's already going down for quite a while. Let me get this microphone closer to me, so I don't sit leaning forward at the very edge of the table. Yeah, that's gonna be okay. What do we have? Not leaving any big imbalances, not messy. Very messy price action. But mostly sales coming in now. Oh, news. What did we get? Consumer confidence EU, nobody cares about. Core PCE, still not updating. Still no data on investing.com. Did we get it on Financial Juice? Yes. Everything's kind of in line. Very interesting. Never seen this. What is this? Snipping. Okay. Snipper. What is this? 2.791183. Just say 2.8. Who cares? I mean, should have just hold this one. But, you know, after it happened, it's easy to say. Move it out of the way. So I see 450, but 420 looks juicier for me. This is gonna go. We're moving lower, but the delta is not that of a on a downward spiral. Tick is alright as well. Tick's about 0 on both EU, NQ and ES. Look at this. This is an indication that I should stop for today. I have daily net profit minus $17. But daily profit is $85 plus in profit, basically. So that means I pay daily fee $102. So I'm trading here, sitting, trying to make good trades. Lost a little bit of money, but the exchange is the money maker here. Yeah, this is going slow. Large sell order on ES, 108 contracts. They They probably think it's gonna continue. Or somebody's long. Exit. Truth Social I need. Truth Social Trump. Is he tweeting anything? Need to be aware of that. Just have it on my tab. Oh, sorry about that. Just doing something here. What did I wanted? I wanted Trade Brigade Discord channel. He's usually sharing some interesting information. Yeah, there we go. Intraday. Market 410. No market open, he only gave. Okay. Okay, so he did come up with a kind of positive 10:30. He didn't share yet. Yeah. Sitting here waiting patiently. Nobody even came on the stream today, which is kind of weird. At least somebody's popping in. Actually, I don't have any tags on. Maybe that will help. Let's do these ones. Why not? While we wait. Here, let's put tags. Thumbnail. Heavy to the downside. Nasdaq. Not giving any entries as well. Looks like he is my turn. Is this the place we're gonna turn around? That's fine. Nope. Back at it. Checking other streams, what people are doing. I see day trading with Matt holding a large loss. Well, large loss. For him, probably not that much. For him, 2000 is like nothing. I think he's long. I see Terry took a short and Tom on MyFundedFutures TV. Yeah, it died down now. Tick's going back up. Russell's going back up. Okay, FTSE. FTSE is very heavy to the downside. DAX as well. Bitcoin's kind of consolidating here at the bottom. SMH closed the gap. Mark 7, Apple's then closed the gap. Nearly closed the gap. Microsoft going lower. Amazon closed the gap. Nvidia closed the gap. Google didn't. Tesla almost. Meta is not close to the gap. Will I even get this? Delta's picking up. But that's the only logical trade I see. So if not this, I'm fine with walking away with the minus 17 bucks. Truly. I mean, you could trade here. Here is 30 points. This is my kind of normal 1 to 2 hour. But do I want to? The first shot that I was thinking here was a proper move. Probably would have closed it around here anyway. How weird is this? Oh, it's you're probably not gonna see it. Look on, sorry about vertical stream, you can't see it. But here, previous day close is 6,910, and yet it's above a level of low 6,911. And actually that low is, where's that low? Yeah, 6,611. Yeah, that's the low. Pushing lower now. Sorry, just a sip of coffee. I'm still here. I don't know what to tell you. $6.20 we up, but I don't think I would want to short it here. This could be a turnaround point here. Somebody put a large order of 38.25 or so. And didn't get filled. Yep. Look at this. It did get filled. Somebody bought it. So who was right, the buyer or the seller there? Maybe that's not the day when we test this 420 level. I am starting to think. And as soon as I will leave, that's what's gonna happen. Another interesting looking trade, this trying a short at 630. But problem with that is we spend quite a lot of time in here and we probably accumulate quite a bit of yeah, the volume there was normal. So I hate this Windows 11 silly stuff. Yeah, see consolidating here, but the volume is on decline, but it's still quite decent here. So yeah, not doing that. Add the VWAP on, yes. Previous day high, you could maybe more interesting trade than the Nasdaq, but CVD is picking up. CVD is delta, in other words. Cumulative volume delta, CVD. Okay, that's more interesting. Come on. Just rip to the downside. And then quick V bottom. V-shape recovery. Come on, 420s. Let's get it. Yes, quite a big drop, right? 10 points or so, 12 points. Yet Delta didn't move that much. So who's trapping who here in this situation? I'm still staying here, waiting for 20s. That's what I want. That's the reasonable expectation here. It goes above here, I go for 5-minute break. I need to use the bathroom. Yep. I'm going to the bathroom and smoke. I mean, I'm still waiting for 420. Don't know if I'm gonna get it. I don't see any other trade. Here, yeah, at the VWAP shown here, yeah, didn't want to do it. Same as well as didn't want to do it here. Which now, in retrospect, looks really silly that I didn't take that trade. But it is what it is. I'll see you in 5 minutes or so. Back once again. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go up. Might go up. Don't quote me on that. But while we wait, if it goes above this level or above previous day high, switching off the stream. But let me show you why I'm so hanged up on 420 level on Nasdaq chart. This is 4-hour time frame. Look at here. But if we extend it, so you see, especially here, this bounced, went lower, retested again, went lower. Yesterday we broke through this, went lower, broke through it again, and now what I'm waiting is a break and retest. Let me try this. Do I have it on? No. Epic pen. There we go. And I think it's Control 1. What the hell did I do? Control Z. No, wait, Control Z. Does this work? What did I do? Okay, that's still 2000. 2000. And 1 hour, no, not 1 hour, 6 months or so. Whoa, this is not the one. 4-hour chart. And this is 4-hour chart for a year or so. I mean, this Control 1. No, I can't. Okay. So I'm expecting we broke through it, come back down, go higher. That's what I want. And doesn't look like I'm gonna get. And as well, on this chart, well, we kind of already retested it. But that's the level here. There you go, 19th. A bit lower. I would like it a bit lower. Yeah, somewhere here. I'm expecting it to go back here. Sorry, I'm not really good at this yet. Like this. That's what I expect. And it doesn't look like I'm gonna get it. At least not in this session. So, because I'm in a trading rut, I can feel it. Like, I'm making kind of the same decisions that I always do. It's just, yeah, there we go. We're above here. Okay. It is what it is. So I think that's gonna be it for me. Yeah. That's gonna be it for me today. I'll see you tomorrow in a London session. Well, you saw some trades. Let's see the trades that I took today. Yeah, ignore this. Should have shorted here. Should have shorted here. I thought, okay, we broke through. Overnight balance. Everyone's trapped long. We're gonna go short. Nope. Takes me out. Okay, then I'm thinking, okay, maybe this is look below and fail. Okay, let's go long. Nope. Taken out. And then we move again here. And I'm like, okay, so maybe we trapped everyone here. People like me that did this. Let's go short. And I took it here. So I missed quite a bit of points. It is what it is. ending the day with minus 17 bucks. So that's what my day. I'll keep an eye on this. I'll still be at my PC, and if we touch 420 or 904, these kind of levels, I will probably engage. That's what's gonna happen. So yapping around here for no reason. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care. Bye bye.